Remember, Chair, last month, sabi natin, kung wala pa yung ayuda in 2 weeks, baka wala nang mangisda. Last week, before yung third mega increase, 30% na hindi pumapalaot. We surveyed from Cavite, Bataan, Zambales, Pangasinan. 30% na hindi nangingisda. This week, because of the increase last Tuesday, almost 50%. Kaya ang sabi natin, while we do the math and we plan the intervention, real na yung problema ngayon. We don't see them sa palengke because may mga catch pa yung commercial. Yung marginal fishers, doon sa nakakapalaot pa, ang nakukuha nila is between 5 to 10 kilos na lang kasi they cannot go far. Times 3 ang crudo, remember, 53 nagsimula before the crisis, 170 ngayon. So it's times 3. Yung crudo na 80% ng kanyang production cost, balikat lang binabalikat solo ng mga fishers. And if the data is correct na namigay, again, it's too small, and kung one time talaga may problema tayo. Secondly, nirereklamo sa atin, kailangan i-cleanse yung listahan kasi ang listahan, ang first requirement, may bangka ka. Hindi naman lahat may bangka eh. So may problema na kaagad dun sa mabibigan dahil hindi lahat may bangka. So, kung tataas pa uli ang fuel next week, baka yung 50%, madagdagan pa. So, ito is right here, right now. We don't plan it for next week, we don't plan it for May, we don't plan it for June. Ngayon na. Otherwise, ayaw naman nating sabihin, pakunti yung marginal fishers na nangingisda, and we don't see them kasi nandiyan ang commercial, nandiyan ang imported. So, again, baka sabihin ng NEDA, sige, let's just import. Pero that's another matter.